What's up, guys? Your boy Cmyk back with another episode of More Than a Screen Printer. Today, we're going to be screen printing using the Cmyk method. All right. So if you guys ever change your ink in your home printer or your inkjet printer, you know what Cmyk is, even if you don't. It's the cayenne, magenta, yellow, and K kinda stands for black. Those are the inks that you're replacing. So we're going to use that same method that you use to replace your inks into your inkjet printer. We're going to do that using screen printing. This was a method I decided to pick up because my screen printing press only allows for 4 screens at a time, so it kind of limits me to some of the designs that I can do when it comes to colors. So I can't really do anything that requires 5, 6, 7 colors. So the Cmyk method is a good method to use to kind of go through different colors. So basically what happens is I will be printing cayenne, magenta, yellow, and black, and all of those colors mixed together make up all the different colors in the picture. They mix together to make the picture. So we're going to be doing that method using a picture I found of Allen Iverson and Michael Jordan playing against each other, two of some of my favorite basketball players. Again, just like the video previously that I did of Lauryn Hill, I do not own the rights to this photo, and this is just for video purposes and personal use only. But I'm going to be screen printing this picture that I found, and I'm going to walk you guys through how I normally do it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you stay to the end. Thanks. All right, guys, and just like any screen printing video starts, we have to print out the transparency. So I'm printing out the cayenne, magenta, yellow, and black transparency. So these are 4 different colors, so they require 4 different transparencies. So each transparency looks similar, but it's slightly different depending on the color. So you see here, these are all the difference. If you can tell, some of them kind of look different than the others, but all of them together will come together and make the picture with all the different colors in it. We're going to use this to burn the screen. And now I'm washing out the screen. So I'm using actually a new emulsion that I wasn't using previously. This blue emulsion, when you put it on a yellow screen, obviously it turns green. It's better for finer details, which I need fine details for these particular screens. The cool thing and kind of unfortunate thing about Cmyk is that you can only print it on light colored things. So white, obviously, cream, or like a light gray. Anything darker will not show up because the inks are specially made. They're called processed inks. They're specially made for Cmyk printing. So I'm not just using a regular yellow ink or a regular black ink or red, even though that's what it looks like. These are special inks for the Cmyk process. So that's why you see me using this white piece of paper, because I can only really do this method on white. I'm pretty sure that I could use a white underbase, which would just mean printing like the picture itself, like the background of it in white, and then printing over top of it. But again, like I said in the intro, I only have the capacity to print 4 colors. So that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm printing the cayenne first, then the magenta will be after, yellow, and then black. have it, guys. Project is completed. It came out really dope. I got some frames and some paper from Michael's. That's the paper that you've seen me screen printing on in the video. I decided, if you've been following me on this journey of screen printing, you guys would know that I recently moved into this apartment where I'm screen printing in now. And I still haven't decorated as much, so I decided to pick up some frames and some paper and screen print it on to screen print on. And I'm actually going to hang this up. I framed it and I signed it right here at the bottom. I'm actually going to hang this up somewhere in my apartment. Just got to decide where I'm going to, but it came out really nice. I'm thinking of doing Cmyk method a lot more often and doing like having its own little mini series of CMYK printing. But came out really nice. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.